Blessed is he who expects nothing, for he shall never be disappointed. To is human, to forgive, divine. Teach me to feel another's woe, to hide the fault I see, that mercy I to others show, that mercy show to me. To be angry is to revenge the faults of others on ourselves. Some people will never learn anything for this reason, because they understand everything too soon. Beauties in vain their pretty eyes may roll, charms strike the sight, but merit wins the soul. A little learning is a dangerous thing. Drink deep, or taste not the Pierian spring. Nature and nature's laws lay hid in the night. God said, "Let Newton be," and all was light. Happy the man whose wish and care a few paternal acres bound, content to breathe his native air in his own ground. Act well your part, there all the honor lies. An honest man's the noblest work of God. Honor and shame from no condition rise. Act well your part, there all the honor lies. And, after all, what is a lie? T'is, but the truth in a masquerade. Hope springs eternal in the human breast. Man never is, but always, to be blessed. On life's vast ocean, diversely we sail. Reason's the card, but passion the gale. The proper study of mankind is man. You purchase pain with all that joy can give, and die of nothing but a rage to live. Trust not yourself, but your defects to know. Make use of every friend and every foe. One science only will, one genius fit. So vast is art, so narrow human wit. The ruling passion, be it what it will, the ruling passion conquers reason still. Do good by stealth, and blush to find it fame. Histories are more full of examples of the fidelity of dogs than of friends. All are but parts of one stupendous whole, whose body nature is, and God the soul. A work of art that contains theories is like an object on which the price tag has been left. If you want to know what God thinks about money, just look at the people He gives it to. What some call health, if purchased by perpetual anxiety about diet, isn't much better than tedious disease. T'is education forms the common mind, just as the twig is bent the trees inclined. True ease in writing comes from art, not chance, as those move easiest who have learned to dance. The greatest magnifying glasses in the world are a man's own eyes, when they look upon his own person. Men must be taught as, if you taught them not, and things unknown, proposed as things forgot. Fools rush in where angels fear to tread. The most positive men are the most credulous. How prone to doubt, how cautious are the wise. Be not the first by whom the new are tried, nor yet the last to lay the old aside. Never find fault with the absent. The learned is happy, nature to explore. The fool is happy, that he knows no more. Thank for watching. Like, share, and subscribe our channel for more videos.